Hey everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I am going to share with you what I got in my Beauty Big Bang box. As you may know, I do reviews for them. So I do reviews for them every couple of months because it takes a little bit for their products to get to me. So today I'm going to share with you what was sent in this box. I'm not 100% sure of everything that was in here because my orders kind of got lost and all that stuff, and yeah, anyways, so if you are gonna stop by Beauty Big Bang, you can use my code ALL10 and you will get 10% off your order. So I don't get anything for that code, it's just for you guys to get 10% off. I would check them out. They have a lot of cool different stuff on their website, and I'm actually going to show you a bunch of new stuff. So yeah, you can check it out. I've done a few videos with their products already, so just kind of look around and you will find Beauty Big Bang. I always have them in the title. But yeah, so let's go ahead and see what's in this box. I also want to thank Lisa from Beauty Big Bang for sending me these products. I always appreciate it, and I really like doing reviews and trying all their awesome stuffs. So let's go ahead and see what is in here. So I'm going to open this off camera because it's probably going to be loud. Alright, so I got rid of the plastic. Comes in this cute little bag with a bow and everything. It even has Beauty Big Bang on there. That is what they're called. Oh, so this looks like it is a stamping plate holder for the square plate. So it's very hollow, very, very cool. I don't actually have a little book or anything like that to hold my stuff, so that is cool. I will definitely check out all of the links and put them in the description box below, and you can see where they are. So, oh, and then of course their card. So Beauty Big Bang, and you can find them at beautybigbang.com. And then that's all of their information, their Instagram, their Facebook, and of course their website again. So definitely check them out. They have a lot of different and cool stuff going on. Alright, so naturally I got a stamping holder, so I got some stamping plates. So let's check out all these. I like the little, what do you call it, paper case. So the first stamping plate I got here is Beauty Big Bang 16. So that will probably fit perfectly in my little pouch here. Let's see. And there you go. Totally does. So next one I got here is Beauty Big Bang 09. Very cool. I can do a whole video testing all these out. I just thought I would. I don't know. Maybe we'll do in this video. We'll see. Beauty Big Bang 07. And then Beauty Big Bang 08. So these are their newer stamping plates, I believe. I think that's what they are. And then Beauty Big Bang 10. So very cool. All kind of like floral sort of theme idea there. Let's see what else we got in here. So I have one of their stampers. And it is a pink stamper. Comes with a little top, which I always appreciate, and it's kind of squishy, clear stamper. I like that there's no like plastic film or anything in there, because I find sometimes it blurs your vision when you're trying to do it. Just my thought. And I love that it has a case, and it seems pretty sturdy as well. Sorry, my light just went out weirdly. I don't know why. And then it came with one of their scrapers. I'll try and open this quick. And it looks cute. It looks like it's got all kinds of stuff. It's kind of in between. Not super flimsy, but not really stiff. So it could work. We'll see. Maybe. I'm not sure. And last product we've got is a stamping polish. This is their stamping polish, so Beauty Big Bang stamping polish. I think it's 001, and it is a royal blue one. I ordered this one because they don't actually have a royal blue stamping polish, and I really wanted to try one of their stamping polishes. I thought I ordered another one, but I'm not sure. Anyway, so that looks gorgeous. But yeah, maybe we'll do a really quick test of some of this stuff. Alright, so we're going to do a quick trial. I just wasn't sure how long this video was getting. Anyways, so I'm just going to show you them up close. So this is Beauty Big Bang 07 and 08. So I thought I'd show them without the powder on them, or the blue film. 09, 10, and 16. So I'm just going to do a quick try of all of them on a piece of paper because I don't really have anything on my nails. And I want to try this stamper. I'm not going to do anything other than just using my lint-free wipe just to make sure there is nothing on there, like dust and all that jazz. So that's all I am doing. And we are going to test it out with that blue polish. And we're going to test it out with the scraper. And we're going to try first 07, and I'm going to do a couple ones because I think I could actually fit more than one. Let's see. We're going to do it super fast. All right, wow, I am really impressed with all of these products. Stamper works beautifully. I actually even like the scraper as well, which surprisingly I don't always like them, but I love it. Like it's great. It works super well. Stamping polish, wow, beautiful. It's gorgeous. I love it. It stamps really nice. Even when I just tried to scrape off, just using the excess polish off of the scraper and just scrape the plate again, worked beautiful. Like it's gorgeous. Like it's so nice. Like I am very impressed. Stamping plates, beautiful. They all worked well. If there's any mistakes, that was just me being fast and whatever. But like look at it. It looks great. Like even just me doing, like, the mess ups are mine, not the polishes or the stamper or the plates or anything. They did really well. Like even the picking up like the fine lines and stuff, like in this one here, like gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And these, oh, I just smudged that by putting it on top, but like look at that. Like they look beautiful. I know this is just on paper, but I don't have that many nails, so I wasn't going to be able to show you all of the stamps. Sorry they're a little messy. I was kind of doing it a little fast. The only one thing is it will probably stain as it is blue, but that is to be expected. But like beautiful. Very, very impressed. I am probably going to be picking up more of their stamping polishes because I am really impressed with this blue one, and their stamping plates are great too. I'm not sure of how many more they have, but I'll probably be checking those out too. Like, gorgeous. So definitely recommend these. I would go to their website and try them out. Like I said, use my code ALL10 and you can also get 10% off of that, so that's pretty awesome. And if you do use my code, if I think it's like 6 people use my code, I can sponsor a giveaway. So I'm not sure how many people have yet, so use that code so that we can get a giveaway going from Beauty Big Bang, because that would be awesome. Yeah, so I want to thank Beauty Big Bang again for sending me these products. Really impressed. They did an awesome job. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.